Hey guys, so we're gonna do a kind of an introduction into U.S. history and what you should expect in my classroom. So we're gonna go over some things. Uh, the main things that U.S. history is about is how people are affected, the big things that occurred in our nation. Uh, this also includes contemporary topics, so we're gonna stay pretty caught up in history. And we're going to cover as much as the semester is going to allow us. So we're going to go as far as we can. And I mean, we're not going to go like super in depth in topic for all of them, but we're going to do as best as we can. And that includes some fun days, obviously. So we're going to do a lot of activities and all that other stuff. So big topics. Constitution is a huge one. What's the development of our country? What's our country based off of? War history. How did our country come to be? Came from a war, and all that other stuff. Civil rights, very big thing. Political parties, very big. Court cases, very necessary to go over. Music culture, super fun. Attributions, so who did what did what, kind of some conspiracy theories. Dead people, history has a bunch of dead people, so that's always fun to go over sometimes. Some famous time eras, those are always good. And contemporary topics, so we'll stay pretty caught up, like I said. We're going to do our best, but can't guarantee anything. So, activities that we're going to be doing in class. So, we should expect paper stuff, activities that make you take notes and all that other stuff, and to best make this class work, you should expect to take good notes and be able to do your tests well. But I don't expect a lot of fails because this class is supposed to be fun and it's not going to be a heartache class like everyone pans it out to be. So we're going to do a lot of modules, and those are really fun. You can sometimes do some very creative things with them, and that kind of gets real people into it, and it's a lot of group work and stuff. Student lectures and presentations, sometimes we're just going to let the students teach the topic instead of me, and it'll spice things up, and it's really good. Student-led games, kids know what they want, students know what they want, and they should be able to lead their own games if they're mature enough, so why not? Debates. Debates are a big thing that's going to be happening in the class. So I like to do debates because they often spur up some very intellectual conversations most of the time. You're going to find some court cases that we're going to work with. You're going to find some very interesting genres we're going to talk about. We're going to try to stick away from like conversations about immigration and pro-life and guns and all that other stuff. We're going to try to stick away from those. But other conversations are all fair game usually, and they usually get pretty in depth. And whatever comes up at the moment, because this class is always changing, history is always changing. This isn't math. It's not the same thing. Usually, it's very moving, and you never know what to expect. So that's what's so beautiful about the class. It's really fun, it's really interesting, and it never really dies because it always moves forward. So that's what you should expect from the class. It's kind of the activities we're going to do in the class, and I'll catch you guys in class. So see ya.